Wouldn't you love creating engaging presentations for your students? Presentations that will make your students fall in love with the topic? I'm Ganesh, I'm the founder of Don't Memorize, and in this video, I'm going to teach you the basics of creating Google Slides in your Google Classroom. After you click on a particular class, you can click on the Classwork tab. This is your topic and this is the material within the topic. This topic already has a Google Doc file, and now say you want to add a Google Slides presentation to it. To do that, you can then click on the three vertical dots next to the same material within the topic and then click on Edit. Just like we did with Docs, you could either add an existing Google Slides presentation or create one. Let's try creating one by clicking here. And that opens a new Google Slides presentation for you. It's really easy for anyone to create a presentation here. First, let's give the presentation a name. You could then add a nice title to your first slide so that your students know what the presentation is all about. And by clicking here, you could also see the various themes available to you. Let's pick this one and we can instantly see that it looks better. You can also make these texts appear in an animated way. You can click on this text box, go to Insert, and select Animation. By default, this text will fade in on click. To get a preview of how this will appear, you can click on Play, and then click on the screen. That's how the text will appear. You can also make it fly in from the left. You can see the preview again. Let's give this second object an effect too. You can select the object, click on Add Animation, and you can make it fly in from the right. You can now begin the presentation by clicking here. On your first click, you will see this text, and on your second click, you will see this one appear. That's how easy it is. And as teachers, we often want to show videos to our students during presentations, right? Can we do that here? Absolutely. Let's first add a new slide. We just click on Insert and then on Video. You could add a video using any of the three ways. You could search on YouTube, or you could use a link that we already have, or you could also upload a video you have in your Google Drive folder. Let me quickly show it to you. I search for a YouTube video, select the relevant video, and then click on Select. You will see the video here. Many times we don't really want to show the entire video to the students. So using the timing option here, we can only select the part that we really wish to share with students. And if you just want to share the animation and not the voiceover, you can even choose to mute the audio by clicking here. So that's how you can add a video to your presentation. But hold on, the whole thing gets way better. You could use slides to give live presentations to your students by clicking here. You can also send the presentation directly to all your students by clicking on the Share button here. Let's present now. And one important thing you will need when you're giving a presentation is a pointer. Clicking on the pointer option below will help you point to certain objects or areas on your slide. You also have the feature to add captions when you're presenting your slides. Let's try this out for fun. We can position the text at the top and select the size as large. Now let me start talking. We can learn more about this concept using animation. Amazing, right? And now I come to what I think is one of the coolest features of Google Slides, the Q&A section. Clicking here will lead you to an audience tool where you can generate a link to share with your students. Using this link, your students or fellow teachers could ask you questions. Let's try this out. Once the link is shared with the students, they will see a screen like this one where they can ask their questions. They could even ask it anonymously too. Once the question is asked, you will see it here in this section. I know you'd be surprised to know that so many options exist with this one simple tool. If you practice and get better at Google Slides, then you could share your presentation not only with your students, but also with the rest of the world. Like most Google products, you can use Google Slides on any smartphone, laptop or tablet. You can even edit it while you're offline and it will sync changes once you go online. You'd have realized that it's so easy and so much fun to teach your students online. In the next video, I will teach you how you could create quizzes and assignments for your students on Google Classroom. See you there.